In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.2, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now we have to unlock the developer options. To do it, you have to click on About Phone, scroll down and locate build number and just click 7 times on build number. As you can see, now we are a developer. So let's go back, open System, go to the advanced options, and as you can see, developer options appeared right here. So simply click on it and now scroll down until you see automatic system updates. Actually, it is active here, but once it is not active, all you have to do is to just click on the switcher. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.